Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that many find challenging yet empowering: how to rebuild your credit after bankruptcy. Bankruptcy can feel like a setback, but it's really an opportunity for a fresh start. In this video, I'll walk you through everything, from understanding bankruptcy's impact on your credit to actionable steps, expert tips, and common pitfalls to avoid. Let's get started. First, let's understand what bankruptcy does to your credit. Bankruptcy is a legal process that helps individuals eliminate or restructure debt, and while it provides relief, it also appears on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. This record may lower your credit score, making it more challenging to qualify for new credit or favorable interest rates. However, many lenders see bankruptcy as a chance for a fresh start if you demonstrate responsible financial behavior post-bankruptcy. It's important to know that while your credit history has taken a hit, you can rebuild it step by step. Before you can rebuild your credit, you need to assess your current financial situation honestly. Start by creating a detailed budget that lists all your income and expenses. Ask yourself, what are my essential expenses? How much debt remains, and at what interest rates? What are my financial goals for the next 6 months to a year? Take inventory of your remaining debts and expenses. This step not only clarifies your situation, but also sets a solid foundation for making smarter financial decisions moving forward. Payment history is the single most influential factor in your credit score. Post-bankruptcy, focus on building a new positive history. Set up automatic payments. Most banks offer automatic bill pay. This minimizes the risk of missing due dates. Use payment reminders. Utilize budgeting apps or calendar alerts to keep track of due dates. Prioritize essential bills. Ensure that rent, utilities, and any remaining loan obligations are paid on time every time. By establishing a routine and committing to on-time payments, you signal to future lenders that you are reliable and responsible. One of the most effective ways to rebuild your credit is by opening new credit accounts designed for individuals in your situation. Two powerful tools include secured credit cards. You deposit a sum of money, usually equal to your credit limit. Use the card for small purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. The positive usage is reported to the credit bureaus, helping your score recover. Credit builder loans. These loans are specifically designed to help rebuild credit. You make regular payments over a set term, and your progress is reported to the bureaus. Both options are low risk since they're designed for rebuilding credit, and when managed responsibly, they demonstrate your commitment to better financial habits. Monitoring your credit is crucial as you rebuild. Here's how to stay on top of it. Obtain your free reports. Use annualcreditreport.com to get your reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Review for errors. Look for inaccuracies. Sometimes negative items linger even after bankruptcy. Dispute inaccuracies. If you spot errors, file disputes with the credit bureaus to have them corrected. Track your progress. Use credit monitoring services to see how your score changes over time. Regularly reviewing your credit reports helps you stay informed and allows you to correct any mistakes that might be holding you back. Rebuilding credit isn't just about adding new positive information. It's also about managing your existing debt. Aim to keep your debt-to-ratio low by paying down any remaining debts as aggressively as possible. Avoiding taking on new, unnecessary debt. Using debt consolidation or refinancing if it helps reduce interest rates and simplifies payments. This approach demonstrates to lenders that you can manage debt responsibly, a key factor in credit scoring. Rebuilding credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Consider these long-term strategies. Build an emergency fund. Set aside a small amount each month to create a safety net for unexpected expenses. Keep learning. Stay informed about personal finance through books, online courses, and financial counseling. Stick to a budget. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect your changing circumstances. Plan for future credit. Once your score improves, gradually transition to unsecured credit and diversify your credit mix. A long-term strategy not only rebuilds your credit, but also strengthens your overall financial health for years to come. While rebuilding your credit, there are several common mistakes to watch out for. Missing payments. Even one late payment can undo your progress. maxing out credit cards, keep balances low. Even secured cards should be used sparingly. Taking on unnecessary debt, avoid new loans or credit lines that could strain your budget. Neglecting to monitor your credit, regular checks are vital for catching errors and staying motivated. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can steer clear of actions that might derail your progress. Here are some additional tips from financial experts. Consider credit counseling. A reputable credit counselor can help you create a personalized plan. Stay educated. Websites like the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, and MyMoneyGov offer valuable information. Join financial support groups. Online communities and local support groups can provide guidance and accountability. These resources can supplement your efforts and provide you with expert advice as you work to rebuild your credit. Let me share a brief success story. After filing for bankruptcy, one of my clients started by setting up a detailed budget and using a secured credit card responsibly. Within 18 months, not only did they see a significant increase in their credit score, but they were also able to qualify for better terms on a personal loan. Their journey shows that with consistency and discipline, it's entirely possible to bounce back from bankruptcy and build a strong credit profile. A summary slide with bullet points and icons representing each step. Example, budget, on-time payments, secured credit, monitoring. On-screen text lists. Assess your finances. Establish positive payment history. Use secured credit/credit builder loans. Monitor your credit reports. Keep debt manageable. Build long-term strategies. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Assess your finances, create a realistic budget, and take stock of your income, expenses, and debts. Establish a positive payment history. Set up automatic payments, and make every payment on time. Utilize secured credit cards and credit builder loans. Use these tools to add positive information to your credit reports. Monitor your credit reports, check for errors, and track your progress regularly. Keep debt manageable. Work on reducing your debt-to-engage ratio and avoid unnecessary new debt. Adopt a long-term financial strategy. Build an emergency fund, continue learning, and plan for future credit. Each step may seem small, but over time, these actions add up to a significant improvement in your credit profile. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on how to rebuild your credit after bankruptcy in the U.S. Remember, bankruptcy is not the end, it's a new beginning. With careful planning, consistent effort, and the right tools, you can rebuild your credit and secure a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or personal success stories in the comments below. Together, we can build better financial futures. Until next time, take care, stay disciplined, and keep working toward your goals.